From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, we all rely on devices and tools in order to fulfill different daily tasks and needs. Whether at work, at home, at school, or to connect with each other, people want to know that the products they're using are safe, efficient, and reliable. LabTest Certification is an accredited testing, inspection, and certification body providing product compliance services for a vast range of product categories in the areas of electrical. We provide safety evaluations for residential, commercial, and industrial electrical and electronic products for the Canadian, U.S., and international markets. Hazardous locations equipment. Vast range of services such as testing, certification, unit verification, preliminary design review, and training for electrical and non-electrical equipment installed and operated in potentially explosive environments. Electromagnetic compatibility. Emissions and immunity testing for pre- and full compliance for electronic devices and components in the marine, automotive, military, medical, aerospace, and transportation industries. Fuel burning appliances. Whether in-house or on-site, LabTest has you covered for all your testing, inspection, and certification needs for fireplaces, stoves, furnaces, and more for compliance with North American and international standards. Plumbing. Evaluation to NSF, ANSI, ASTM, CSA, and other North American and international standards to demonstrate compliance with the regulations of the intended market. Solar. Accredited by Standards Council of Canada and recognized by SRCC, LabTest Certification is the industry leader for testing and certification of solar products, including but not limited to PV panels and solar domestic hot water systems. Energy efficiency. The LC Energy Verified Certification Program is designed to give manufacturers the confidence that their products are consistent with their marked efficiency ratings and may therefore qualify them for convenient rebates. Building materials. LabTest Building Materials Department offers NOFS testing and thermal modeling for windows and doors, and fire testing services to manufacturers and distributors of materials used in the construction industry. Personal protective equipment. Our accreditations include testing and certification for most types of facial coverings, with all testing conducted at our Canadian labs. Environmental testing. With its multiple environmental chambers and through expert guidance, LabTest Certification helps you qualify your marine, military, aviation, and automotive equipment to ensure it can withstand the most extreme environmental conditions. In addition, LabTest also provides field evaluations, preliminary design reviews, R&D testing, standards training, and management system services. Accredited by multiple accreditation bodies such as Standards Council of Canada, International Accreditation Service, and ANAP, LabTest Certification is also an OSHA nationally recognized testing laboratory, a recognized member of the IECEx scheme, a notified body for European directives, and an approved body for UK regulations. With offices and testing laboratories in Canada and the United States, and field inspectors and partners strategically located around the globe, LabTest provides fast and cost-effective solutions to manufacturers in need of product approvals for national and international marketplaces. LabTest brings its services to you wherever you are. When partnering with LabTest Certification, manufacturers have direct access to our technical experts who come with decades of experience in the compliance industry. We will guide you through regulatory requirements while keeping the process simple, as we understand that time to market is crucial. Certifying products doesn't have to be complicated. With our technical knowledge, expert guidance, and excellent communication, the path to compliance will be a smooth journey for all. At LabTest, we work with you towards your goals, committed to safety together.